Go versus Python, backend languages compared.
Go and Python are two popular languages for backend development. Both have solid communities, tools, and frameworks. This video explores how each language performs when building scalable backend systems, considering speed, scalability, development experience, and ecosystem support to help you make an informed choice for your next project or career step.
Performance and scalability.
Go was designed for high concurrency and efficiency. Its compiled nature and lightweight Go routines make it excellent for handling thousands of simultaneous connections. Python, being interpreted, is generally slower, especially with CPU-intensive tasks. But frameworks and extensions like Asyncio can help with scalability in many applications.
Ease of learning and development speed.
Is known for its readable syntax and straightforward learning curve. This makes it a great choice for beginners and for rapid prototyping. Go has a simpler language design compared to many system languages, but its stricter typing and minimalism can take some adjustment, though these qualities also lead to robust and maintainable code.
Ecosystem and libraries.
Python offers a vast ecosystem with mature libraries for web development, data processing, and more. Frameworks like Django and Flask are widely used. Go's standard library is powerful for networking and concurrency, and its ecosystem is growing with tools like Jin and Echo, though it's generally more limited than Python's.
Community and job opportunities.
Both languages have strong, supportive communities. Python leads in data science, AI, and general-purpose scripting, resulting in high job demand. Go is increasingly in demand at companies needing highly scalable cloud-native systems, especially in tech and infrastructure roles. Each offers abundant opportunities, but in different domains.
Choosing what's right for you.
Consider your project needs and career goals. Choose Go for high-performance, concurrent backends and cloud-native services. Choose Python for rapid development, data-heavy work, or prototyping. Both languages offer rewarding backend careers and the chance to build scalable systems. Your choice depends on your specific priorities.